Let's make a dance costume. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a costume from sketch to completion. But first, let's meet the client. This is Elizabeth. I've known Elizabeth since she was 8 years old. I've been choreographing her solos since then. I actually started making her dance costumes about 2 years ago. She was one of my first clients. Elizabeth is a kid who knows what she wants. And what she wants is sparkles. So I have to make sure that this one tops last year's. So let's get into the details of this order. This year Elizabeth is dancing to You Should See Me in a Crown by Billie Eilish. Her mom has requested that her costume be blue. Now me, the song's a little bit dark, so I kind of want to add some black in there as well. Again, Elizabeth is a kid who loves rhinestones, so we have to make sure this thing is sparkling and you can see it from the moon. I guarantee you though, she's going to ask me for more stones. Since Elizabeth is in middle school and it's required that they not wear a brief or leotard bottom, we now have to make this costume into a bike tard. I tried to talk her into a unitard, she wasn't having it. So we settled on shorts instead of pants. They're also not allowed to show their midriff, so now I have to kind of finagle around not showing her belly button but still giving off the illusion of that she's not just completely covered in lycra. So with that said, let's go ahead and start making this costume. We're going to start with the sketch, then we'll make the pattern, cut out all of our pieces, sew everything up together, rhinestone this sucker, and then we have the completed product. Are you ready to see it? Well, let's go. Alright, well we finished this costume, and in true Devin fashion I waited till the last possible second to get this out. She actually competes in 2 days, so just in time, right? Better late than never. It's actually not even late, it's early, whatever. The point is, we've made it, it's done. I'm so excited for her to see it. She hasn't seen it in person yet. Like I said, I guarantee you she's going to beg me to add more stones, but I run this shit. Though she thinks she does, I run it. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this. I mean, this was kind of fun. It was easy because this is what I do every day anyway, so setting up the camera to record this was nothing. Comment below if this is something you want to see. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!